Sometimes it's hard to figure out times when, you have time for baking or time for doing all these little extra things that you would like to do around this time of year. I have found that much like when I am putting dishes away in the morning after they've had time to dry at night, and I kind of use that time to get my coffee ready and everything, it's almost like a little timer for myself. And then I get to enjoy a cup of coffee in the morning after all the dishes are put away. I do this when it comes to baking little treats or something that the kids might want to eat. That if I can just use this time to clean up the kitchen as I go and, just the little things that need to be done around the house that maybe I've been working for a while and I need to give myself some time to do these little things, this is a great time to do that. So today I decided to make some muffins because my daughter asked for some blueberry and raspberry muffins. And so the kitchen was a mess, but in that time to bake those, I also made sure to just get the kitchen tidied up. And it makes a really big difference, even on those days that maybe there are so many other things going on. Just putting something like that in the oven gave me that much amount of time to clean up the kitchen, and I was very motivated to do so because of that. And it was so nice to have this treat to enjoy with her after, and just to spend some time with the dogs as well. So it's really those little things, those little tasks that we have throughout the day, but incorporating other things of enjoyment in that time. And it can also act as a little timer for ourselves. So of course I had little tasks to do here and there, like laundry, just getting that done. And it just made for a very, very enjoyable afternoon. That golden hour time just before dinner time, it was just so nice. So I encourage you to find little times within the day to be able to do these little things that will help brighten your day in some way. And, it just helps you to enjoy the little things in life.